guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at these acrylic pens from Born Pretty. So, not sure if you've ever used a paint pen, but you gotta shake them up. So let's shake them all up real quick. So they gave me a gift card and I decided to pick up these acrylic paint pens. So these are literally just like what you would find in a craft store, it looks like. You have your tip, and then to prime it, you actually push the tip down and then the paint runs straight down, and then you can squiggle wiggle however you want. Hearts, clovers, and balloons. Haha. So this will dry just like normal acrylic paint. So we had the red one, and I'll show you, I'll just use my nail, but you just push down and it comes right to the tip. Super easy. This would be great for graffiti. So I figured it'd actually probably be easier just to do this, even though it's probably not going to stick. But just so you can see the different colors. And then I'll just prime them and let them do their thing. These are really pigmented. And they activate super quickly, so you're not sitting there. I've definitely gotten some in the past. Think the tip in there? No, I don't think the tip is actually in there. No, because that one looks the same. And it's backwards. Okay, I'm gonna just flip that around real quick. Yeah, it looks fine. Yep, just a little bit of backwards there. That's okay. Now the white is kind of hard to see if it went through. Okay, so it did. Okay, we got silver. Now I'm gonna switch over to the gold real quick. Ooh, look at that blue. I like that blue a lot. Here you go. You can start to see these ones are drying a little bit up here. There you go. You can kind of see. So I'm going to let these dry so you can kind of see the end result. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm cleaning up my mess, literally. So I was shaking it to dry, not really thinking that one through, that I'm literally shaking paint. So yeah, I'm just gonna redo this and I'll be back. So you can see the acrylic paints are awesome. You can literally just use them, and then when they dry, it's free game. So I'll top coat these actually. Let me do that. I'm gonna take Madam Glam's top coat. There we go. Okay, here we go. The only one I had a little slight bleeding would be this pink one. I don't even know if you're going to be able to tell. It had a slight little bleed, but again, I literally was like going back and forth with the brush, so I probably just needed to commit to one. But here they are. All right, I'd like to thank Born Pretty for providing me a gift card. Again, I say this almost in every video. They provide me a gift card and then I buy whatever I want and I just pay the difference. So I was able to pick these guys up and just pay a little bit of the difference. So I will make sure to link these down below. I have another Born Pretty haul. So Born Pretty sent over these goodies. They sent some nail tips, which look like Yeah, okay, so these nail tips are already semi-prepped for you to adhere. Here, there we go. So you can see it's already mattified. So you can just apply, obviously that's not gonna fit there. You can just apply your extender gel. So that is nice that these tips are already prepped like that. These look like they're medium to long almond shape. And then this is, ooh, this is AURORA. So this you can use with your tips. Oh, this is like the hard one, okay. So let me, look at that. Let me grab a glove here. Yes. So this is literally the stuff that you would put on to extend the nail. And you just grab a little bit out. Very stringy. Okay. You put it on that nail. I gotta see how that stuff works because it's not sticking to anything. Does it stick to itself? Will it re-stick? Maybe the stretching is what makes it re-stick? I don't know. But it's nifty. We'll just continue on. Ooh, fiber gel. I'm gonna go in the middle here. Oh, and I already messed that up. Okay, it is just clear, so let me grab a brush. Let me clean off my brush so it is literally just the fiber gel. Okay, here I'll try to bring some, let's see. There you go, you can kind of see. I'm just gonna slide that back in there and grab a little bit out. Here, there we go. I'm gonna spread it out so you guys can kind of look at it. So there are little fiberglass pieces in here. Okay, you see that the fiberglass is kind of coming off that side here. So there's little pieces of fiberglass in it. Also on my brush. So you're gonna definitely wanna make sure you are wearing a mask when filing fiberglass, because you don't want to be inhaling fiberglass. Glitter silver. Ooh, that's pretty. This one is clear. That is crystal clear. That is super clear. That's nice. And then last one is baby pink, and they do have more colors. I do know that they have more than just this. I went baby pink. So this stuff, ooh, okay, is pretty malleable. It's pretty malleable. Oh, I have glitter still on, that's fine. So this is gonna be great. This is great for your extensions. I literally am using glitter in my clear, like, oh my goodness. All right, I'd like to thank Born Pretty for sending these over. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below, and be on the lookout for trying a couple of these different products in a separate video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.